Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I have two guests with me. This is Signe and this is Peder. They are my children. Signe is 4 years old and Peder is 8 years old. Do you want to say hi?
Hi.
Do you say hi?
Hi.
Today we're going to do a random video. I came over this website where they sold Japanese snacks, and I got really curious and I ordered a little package of snacks from Japan. The brand is called Neo Tokyo. So we're just gonna try it out.
Mochi bubble milk tea.
You guys have probably heard of the very popular tea drink with these small bubbles. I've never tried it, but this is kind of like a snack version or candy version of that. So they're individually packed.
Her ser du den.
Ooh! I'm not sure, maybe they should be refrigerated or frozen. Mmm. Did you like it?
Yeah. Japanese mochi.
I think this is very similar, only this has the durian kind of taste. And I've never tasted the fruit durian, but it's supposed to smell really terrible. So I wonder what this is going to taste like.
Der står Taiwan dessert, Japanese mochi.
Wow. Oh! Peder does not want to try these, but you want to try? Okay.
Jeg prøver ikke det der. Det lukter ikke godt.
It tastes like it's too old. I think that's the best way to describe it. Det smakar för gammalt. The next one is similar, but this is with banana flavor.
Det står
mochi
roll, Taiwan dessert, banana milk,
Nej.
made in Taiwan. Den. Okej, så. Oj! Den är vad? Och den är frukt, det är inte. Jag syns inte den luktar så här.
Kan jag smaka på din?
Ja.
They have this soft buttery dough outside.
Så du smakar på den?
This is good. This is the best one yet. But you have to like that banana taste. So I have to check if there's alcohol in some of this because I'm not sure. I will not give my kids alcohol, but I think this is a Pokemon beverage.
Den var fin.
Okay.
Pokemon Pikachu.
Pikachu. Okay, sparkling water Japanese cider flavor. So there's no alcohol in this. I wonder what the flavor is. Okay. It tastes like apple.
It's like
Very fresh. Now I think this has alcohol in it, because it says cognac jelly peach, but I was kind of intrigued by these jelly beverages. I think that's very like a Japanese thing. We don't have anything like this in Norway, as far as I know. I think I'm just gonna try it in case there's any alcohol. Okay, let's see. Let's see. It was very, very sweet. Way too sweet for me. So there's 50 like stick chocolates. Interesting.
smakte veldig godt.
Really good.
Pretty good.
I love that they're so thin. The best one so far? Yeah. Okay, so these are the lychee gummies from Labaya,
Kabaya.
pure and natural. So I love the lychee fruit, but I've never tasted anything lychee flavored candy.
Du tar vi på style.
Men hva får jeg nå?
Jeg tar vi tatt all.
Nei da.
Så. Ok, så jeg har en sånn form utenpå.
Looks like a dice.
Firkantede. Ikke den beste så langt,
No.
men nest
Not the
beste.
best one, yes. Second best?
Ja.
Pretty good. So these are like potato chips, is it? Kratz is the name from Glico, the brand Glico. So you're supposed to open here.
Og pears. Så det ser litt...
It has the picture of, is it a, hold on. I think it's a picture of a beer. So I don't know if this is, yep, it's Kirin beer flavored. So that's interesting.
Alkohol. Det ser ikke... Det ser godt ut. Noe som barn vil være.
These were good. I like them. Very good. So I think we can all agree on the Moki kind of candies was not our favorite. Sangria, caramel milk.
Kan man det bildet på?
Caramel and milk drink, but has it alcohol in it? I don't think so.
Kan vi ta
Ja.
en til? Jeg tar en til.
Okay. It smells like coffee and milk. Ooh, has a brown color.
Nei, det smakte ikke så godt. Det smakte liksom kaffe. Jeg har jo ikke smakt kaffe før da, men...
It smells like, I mean, it tastes like caramel, but you like it?
Yes.
We have to save some for Daddy too.
Yes.
This is so sickening.
Oh,
What is your favorite candy? Is it these?
Nei.
These sticky ones? What's your favorite?
Den.
This like potato chip with
Ja.
beer flavor. Yeah, I really like those as well. I think my favorite is this one, those Pocky chocolate sticks. What's your favorite?
Alt.
Everything?
Ja.
Was it something you really didn't like? Noe du ikke likte? Det sånn Moki-greien?
Det så...
Den Durian
Den
Moki.
har... Det
Yep, the Durian
Den har
Moki
jeg
is
ikke.
not our favorite. Hva var din, what's your least favorite? Den du likte minst.
Så har jeg det her.
All those Moki ones?
Yeah.
Okay. We can definitely recommend the Poki chocolates. Poki? Yes. And the Kratz. Very, very good. And also these were pretty good as well. The lychee candies. Pretty good. Alright.
Okay.
So, thank you all for watching. I hope to see you again next time.
Please,
Do you want to say bye? Bye.
Bye.
Bye.